Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Taira Barkat from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope so that you have completed your previous task, which I have explained it in my previous lectures, and I am here with third lecture. But before starting the lecture, let's first subscribe the channel, then we will move ahead. So here I am with lecture number 3, and we are going to start this one task. This one task is very much easy. The task of all summer vacation tasks, all the questions are very much easy to solve and attempt. So I am going to start this one. In this question, we are supposed to complete the words. Some blanks are given and we have to complete the words. In upper box, there are some parts of the words are given. We have to put them in correct place and then complete the words. So let's start. Here we have choose the letter string that fits all the words in each row. In the boxes there are 5 different letters are given. First is THE, second is OTH, third is OR, fourth is it's LGHT, it's written by mistaken, it's IGHT. L is only L is wrong. You can change it by cutting L and writing I. Next is OPE. These are not actually words. These are part of words. You have to put them in these blanks. The first one is done for you. In the first row, all the words are completed by the letters OTH. CLOTH cloth, OTHER other, FROTH froth, MOTHER mother, BROTHER brother. So as we have read in the or understood in the first row that only one word from the box are supposed to be come in all the words in a row. So OTH is done. So it means in the second part we are going to use another part of words. Yes. Here W, 2 blanks are given, MERY. P, 2 blanks, and T. Next 2 blanks, DINARY. Next TAIL, and 2 blanks. And next INVENT and 2 blanks. So in this we are supposed to write this one. Wormery, port. Ordinary, tailor, inventor. So with this part of the word, we have completed these 5 words. Wormery, port, ordinary, tailor, and inventor. Now next is here SL, 3 blanks and N and so on. So we will check out which one suits here. So here we are going to use this one, OPE. Slope, open, envelope, tightrope, and opera. We are done with this as well. Now it's FEA, blanks and R, then this one, this and this. So which one suits here? Here this one is supposed to be written. Feather, there, breathe, them, and these. Now only one is left, and that is IGHT. So here we are going to do RIGHT, right? STRAIGHT. Let's, you can write it over here as well. And here LIGHTEST, lightest, and IGHT, tightly, and IGHT, bright. We are done with all the words. We have completed the box. It's done. Now I give you a task. You have to, as you all have your dictionaries, you have to find the meaning of 2 to 3 words. First is froth, next is wormery, and third one is tightrope. I will tell you the meaning of all these words in the next lecture, but it's your task, that home task, that you have to find out the meaning of these words in dictionary. Okay, so this one box is done. That's all for today. I will come with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.